Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to be talking about a common problem with the automatic liftgate in the Chevy Traverse. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Sometimes you'll go to open your liftgate and the automatic liftgate won't open. One thing you want to make sure is your key is actually unlocked. All the doors are unlocked. So take your key fob and it still does not go up automatic. You can take the key fob, push the key fob button, hold it down, and it still doesn't go up. When you're in the up position, it's all the way up. You go to close it, try to pushing the close button, and it won't go down. And same with the remote. You should be able to close it with the remote, hold the remote, nothing happens. All right, so a common problem is if you come up to the front of the vehicle, you get in the car, when you are putting your coffee cup or a drink in, a lot of times you will hit this switch right here, which this is the actual switch for the automatic liftgate. When it's pushed down, it's kind of hard to notice that it's pushed down. You just go over to it and rock it up. And then it's flush with the other switches. Let's go test the liftgate. Now we'll check it. Just push the button and it opens. It's back to normal. You can do this. This will save you from going to a dealer. It's a very common problem. We push this button, it works as well. And there you go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.